guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Afiayana. I'm here today with a hair tutorial try thing. I can't really say tutorial because I don't really know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna attempt to do another braid out. So I did this last week and it came out pretty good. So I'm gonna try and do it again today. But last time I did it at night and then I slept overnight in the braid out. So I think I'm gonna do it today and just wait until tomorrow to take it out so it can set, because my hair holds a lot of moisture and water, so it takes a long time to dry. So first I'm gonna wash my hair, wash and condition it with I bought this new brush. Well, I used it once before, so it has hair in it, so let me clean it out. But I bought this new detangling brush. I've seen it on Instagram and stuff, but I got this one at Walgreens for like, oh, this dust. I got this one at Walgreens for like $3 or $4, and I really like it. It separates like the comb and it doesn't pull your hair, and I had very minimal shedding last time I used this in the shower to detangle my hair while I was washing it. And then I also have this detangling brush that I use when this, like, I use this more towards the back because my hair is way more tight, I guess, like curlier in the back than the front because I have so much heat damage in the front. If you guys can't tell, my hair's a mess. I know if it looks like I just woke up, it's because I did. And for my shampoo and conditioner, I use organics. I love organics shampoo and conditioners. I have like every flavor or scent, however, whatever it's called. This one is deeply restoring, I might say this wrong, don't judge me, Pracaxi recovering oil shampoo and conditioner. So this is what it looks like, and it smells really good. Actually, I love their shampoos and conditioners because it smells good, and I feel like it leaves my hair thicker. Like when I usually use shampoos, it like makes my hair brittle and dry. This is gel coming out of my hair, you guys. It's not dandruff or anything, but I feel like it leaves my hair feeling a lot fuller and moisturized. It doesn't leave my hair feeling dry and thin like a lot of shampoos and conditioners do for me, because I'm in like a transition stage. I never had a perm, but I used to straighten my hair a lot, so it has a lot of heat damage. That's why I've been cutting it. As it gets healthier, I just cut it off more because I'm a punk and I can't do the big chop, even though I've really been wanting to. So maybe we'll do that one day. So I'm gonna wash my hair and then we'll get into the twisting part of this video. Okay, so I washed my hair. Now look at all the heat damage I have. Now y'all can really see the heat damage that I have, that I've been cutting off all the time. So my hair is like damp. It's not wet. I dried it just a little bit with a towel. And so I'm going to use my rat tail comb. I'm going to use my detangling brush that has hair in it right now for me being in the shower. But this is how much hair came out in the shower. And I hadn't washed my hair in a week, so I think that's pretty good. So my detangling brush, my comb. I might use the wide tooth comb again. And then the only two products that I really used in my hair was the Miss Jessie's Jelly Soft Curl. I like this one because it doesn't like get like crunchy. And then for like moisture, I use the Healing Dry Oil from Organics, as well Renewing and Argan Oil of Morocco. So I use this. And I use this, and then I was using this Cream of Nature Pure Honey Twisting Cream, but it's empty, so I might use that little corner right there. It got a little hair in it. I might use that little corner, get what I could get out of it. But yeah, that's about it. And then I use like what I use to lay my edges. I'm gonna use this Gorilla Snot because it's the only thing that works for my head. So I'm gonna part it. I'm not good at parting my hair. I'm gonna braid it into, I'm only gonna braid it into 4 sections because I only have 4 rollers. Yeah, and because my hair is so heat damaged, I roll the ends so that I can have like a little curl on the ends. I use these little rollers. They just snap in like this after you roll your hair up. Snap like that. So I'm gonna part my hair, go from the nose. You see how I like, my hand shakes. I have such a shaky hand. That's the problem. Ugh. So I'm going to, I have a mirror behind me. That's why I'm looking past the camera. So I do this, and then I part it down the sides. I'm so hungry, y'all. I didn't eat nothing. I had some spaghetti yesterday when I got home from work at like 4, and that was all I've eaten. I haven't eaten anything since then, and it's like 11 o'clock now. So then I take my brush, my detangling brush, and I just detangle my hair just in case it came back together after being dry a little bit. And I take some of my jelly soft curls from Miss Jessie's. It smells good too. And I use a decent amount. I use like this much. And I put it on top. I put it a little bit on this side so it stays away. I put it on top. And then, oh, my hair. And then I put it all around the hair. I want to keep this separate so it doesn't come over here while I'm doing my braiding. And then I try and brush it through so the product can get all throughout the hair. And I might just use like a little dab more to make sure that it gets all through, because the bottom part feels a little bit dry. And I want to make sure that it's evenly distributed for my little braids. And y'all, I'm a black girl that can't braid, so I do what I could do. Don't judge me. These braids, I can tell you right away that they're not going to be perfect. But we're going to make it work because it came out cute last time. So I'm going to try it again. So I separate it into 3 parts. They're going to be 3 uneven parts because my hair in the front is shorter from me cutting it. And then I try and get it as close to the root as I possibly can. So I like pull it a little bit. I don't know if that's how you braid, but that's how I braid. And the thing is, my mom can braid her butt off, and she never taught me. My mom always had, like, when me and my sister was young, we always went and got our hair done. Like, I've been getting press and curls since I was, like, second or third grade. I started getting press and curls. So I never had to do my hair or do my own hair. So I never got to practice. So y'all see how this hair is like smaller. So that's probably the one in the front. So I'm braiding it. Once I get to the bottom, once it's hard to grip, I usually bring these 2 together, like the smallest ones, and then I just twist the rest all the way down so that it still has a curl. It's not gonna come out the same kind of curl, but it's still gonna be a curl. And then once my fingers can't do no more, take the roller and I just roll it on up in there. I make sure that it's kind of locked. I try and take it like up a little bit to the thin part, like up into the thick part of the braid, and then I snap it in, and there we go. And then I do the same to this side. So I'm pretty much done with my braid out. I'm gonna let this sit. I'm gonna take this out. What time is it? It's like, I don't know what time it is, but it's probably about like 11 o'clock. So I'm gonna sit with this. I'm gonna leave it in till probably about 5 o'clock tonight, 5 or 6. Let this dry because my hair takes a long time to dry. That's like my biggest problem. I'm gonna put some curling jelly on this part of my hair, and I'm gonna put a scarf on, my little cute scarf on, to try and lay down the front a little bit. I don't do my edges until the till I take it out, because my edges are so incompetent that they're gonna just come like get puffy anyway. So I'm just gonna wait, and then so I'm gonna tie it up. Like, when I tell y'all I'm so uncoordinated, I can't even tie my hair. Like, that's how bad it. Yeah, it takes me like 5 minutes to just tie my hair up. Kind of. Okay, so I'm just gonna lay this down for a minute, and then I'm gonna take it off so that it can fully dry. So I'll take this off after like 15 minutes. I'll take the scarf off and just walk around, like, just chill with it. And we'll take the braids out and we'll see how it comes out. Honestly, the first day is cute, but the second day is real cute. So I'll see you guys in about 5 or 6 hours. Okay, y'all, so I ended up actually waiting until the next day because it didn't seem dry enough to me, and I wasn't going anywhere, so it didn't really make sense for me to like take the braids out. But my bonnet fell off last night, so hopefully that didn't mess it up too much. So I'm gonna take out the rollers. Dry thing. So this is what it looks like without being separated. And then I just like pull it out, pull it together, pull down. Excuse my ashy lips. Haven't done anything to my face yet. But yeah, just separate it, pull it a little to the front, pull it down, give me some length in the back. And then make sure, like, when you do the back, make sure you pull it together so you don't have like a gap in the back. Even though I can't really see it, you can feel it. And then that's pretty much it. And then I take this oil that I showed you guys, the Argon oil, Argan Moroccan oil, and I just spray it all around. Give my hair some extra added moisture and shine. And then I also have this liquid pearl luminescent serum that I use. It's also organics. If y'all can't tell, I love organics products, and it has like sparkles in it, so it gives your hair a little extra sparkle. I just put a little bit of this. I don't put a lot. Put like this much, and I just put it on top and like run it through. And if you want, you could put your hair like to the front like that. Give your curls some, let them just go where they want to go. You could do a little bang action if you want. Personally, I kind of like the bang though, but I use my Gorilla Snot for my edges. Y'all don't know how to do edges. I don't know what, I'm not blessed in the hair care field, so I'm definitely not gonna teach y'all, but I just like do a little bit. See, I be taking adult hairs out when I do my baby hairs. That's the problem. So just do a little action, flick it down a little, slick this down a little. I got a lot of I have a lot of sideburns, so I like to bring my sideburns down. And then there you go. There you have it. You have your tweed braid twist out for heat damaged hair. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment on this video. Comment down below if you think that I should do the big chop, because I'm really excited about that. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time.